Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Copy documents, photos, and licenses to an external drive or cloud. Once done, connect the power adapter so the battery cannot interrupt the process. Now power off the Lenovo, locate the Novo button, or use Shift plus Restart from Windows. Press the Novo button or hold Shift and click Restart to enter the recovery environment. This step gets you into the Lenovo recovery tools quickly, so you can choose the factory reset option without risking corrupted installation files. You will now navigate the recovery menus to start the actual reset. Once in Troubleshoot, choose Reset this PC and then decide. Pick Remove Everything for a true factory restore, or Keep My Files if you only want a fresh Windows install. Make sure to select Remove Files and clean the drive if you plan to recycle or sell the laptop. Choosing just Remove Files is faster but less secure. After confirming, the system will queue the reset and prepare files. This may take several minutes. Let the reset run to completion. You should expect multiple restarts while Windows reinstalls. When the process finishes, you will go through the initial Windows setup, language, region, and account choices, so follow those prompts to verify a successful factory restore. Make sure to reinstall drivers from Lenovo Vantage or Support after setup for optimal performance. If the laptop fails to boot or loops during reset, create a recovery USB or run Lenovo Diagnostics from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.